There were days like I almost gave up on YouTube. Imagine uploading a video after 24 hours, 48 hours, just to see maybe 20 views, 30 views. I went ahead to question my niche, question my content, question everything I was doing. But behold, today, I'm not here to complain. I'm here to start all over. I'm not starting all over because I feel left behind. I'm starting all over from experience. Stick around with me to the end of this video because I'm going to be sharing with you exactly what I went through with my channel and how I am rebuilding it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Modestine and for more. Here I talk about business ideas, opportunities, how to make money, and motivation. Here is the actual problem, how everything started. When I started my YouTube channel, I was so happy. Like the happiness, the joy that comes with it, making videos, being on this platform to share motivation tips, to share business ideas, like everything was going so well. But do you know the error I did? When I started chasing views, watch hours, monetization, that is when everything came to a standstill. Because instead of me struggling to connect with my audience, struggling to build a community with them, I was instead going after the algorithm. You can imagine that. That's the genesis of my problem. It is only then that I realized that YouTube is not just about that growth, that speed that you are taking. The way you connect also matters. You know, your viewers, your audience does not only want to see you present, they want to see that connection, that warmness, like that feeling of belonging, that originality in you. And the moment you forget these things and stick to views, stick to watch time hours, subscribers, monetization, you are definitely going to miss. Like you are going to leave the track. That's exactly what brought me to this situation where you see me. But like I said, I want to share today from experience. Everything I'm telling you is from experience. After stepping back, like I took out some time to ask myself what is actually going on. How come, or what can I do to take myself out of the situation? That is when I discovered that out of the few videos that were having good views, it was not even about like how fancy I worked, how fancy the editing was. It was about the originality, how real, how everything was like presented real. You understand? So that is just to tell you that consistency on this platform really matter. But how authentic you are is a plus. But most YouTubers will come and tell you need to be consistent, you need to be yeah, we know. Yes. Consistency is good. But be authentic. Authenticity is also very important. We miss out this very important point because we only want to let me do this quick, let me do more, let me show up every day. Are you being real? Because the audience want to see that. This is one experience I got from my channel. I'm telling you, stop striving to be so perfect. No. You don't need to be so perfect. All you need to be is be real. Be real. Because every slow season is not the end. Every slow season is just a purpose to tell you that your talent is very, very important. It's very, very vital. And for everything you see, what makes me happy, what makes me like keeps me going on this platform is that despite the fact that the views are so low, despite the fact that the turnout is very low, but I'm still impacting a life somewhere. That enough is what I need to keep going. Knowing that I have one life somewhere that I'm impacting here. Hey, I'm okay. I'm okay with it. Let me tell you our new direction now. This is the new direction I'm going to be taking from now on. Though I'll still be talking about business. Yes, that one I cannot just keep behind because I love business. But I'm going to make it more spicy with small real life stories, small business tips, creator challenges, like a little bit of everything. It's just a way of like stepping up the game, not only motivation. So everything will be inclusive. If you want motivation, you want business ideas, you want creators, like challenges, everything, real life stories will all be included. You have to be expecting most of the lessons I've learned here as a small business owner and also as a content creator. I'm going to be sharing that out. Remember, I said the direction has been shifted plus, not minus. It is going to be now business ideas, mindset, real life stories, yes, from content, business, everything. So expect more of that. I want my video to speak to you who is watching, who wants to start something from afresh. Even if it feels like nobody is watching, that should be the goal. Restarting all over. Building from experience. I want this channel to be more of a journey, and I need you to walk with me on this journey. If you have ever felt stuck, like you have been tired from trying over and over, mind me, you are not alone. Don't always think like it is the end. No. Starting over is normal. But starting over from experience is the best. So you are starting over from experience. Welcome to Level Up with Style. If you have watched this video from the start to this moment and you feel like it added more value to you, please drop us a comment in the comment section, like the video, share the video, and also make sure to turn on your notification bell. Subscribe, because like I was saying, this is a new dream, this is a new reform I'm bringing to my channel. Like, I'm widening my niche. I want to make the niche wider, such that everyone can get something from my channel. It should not be like before, where all the people who are doing business who come here to see one or two things. No, it should not only be about earning money. Personal life experience, personal life stories, growth strategies, everything is coming. Subscribe, turn your notification bell. If not, you'll be left behind, and I don't want you to be left behind. Join me, let's journey together on this beautiful channel. Thank you. Until next time, stay blessed.